So let's go over the muscles panel in the imaet system. So when you go to your imaet navigation page, you go down in systems, you'll find this muscles right here. If you scroll over it, it tells you a little bit about it. We're going to click on that. It's going to bring us to this page. So in the middle, you've got this box that has functional stress and anatomical. If you click on functional stress, this is going to bring you through the common functional stressors of the muscular system. So you've got everything from tendonitis to ALS. And if you click on any of these things, in the bottom left-hand side box, it's going to give you a description of the item that you've clicked on. So we could do bursitis of the hip, and it will tell you about that. Then we have an anatomical button. If you click this anatomical button, this brings you through the muscles of the body. So it's got everything from the adductor digiti minimi in the foot down to the vastus medialis. So again, in this box on the left-hand side, whatever you click on, it's going to give you a description of. So here's the teres major, here's the teres minor. Then you can click on this, say we wanted to send energy to the teres minor. Over here on the right-hand side with this little box, we've got an add focus. We can add inflammation and infection. We can put in our feedback time, and then we can either click interface if the person is hooked up to the machine, or we can click virtual if we're treating remote. If you have a virtuoso, you're only going to have one button since there is no interface box. We'll click on this virtual, and after the allotted time, it's going to tell us how much this has been harmonized in the client. And after it goes through the allotted time, it's also going to run through this added focus that we've added up here. So inflammation and infection. Down at the bottom right-hand side, we also have a box or a button for panel info. If you click on this, it's going to bring you to the information for this panel. So after our allotted time, you can see that this teres minor is only harmonized at 1%. So this client's going to need a lot more time on this teres minor. We only did 1 minute. We could do 20 minutes. We could keep rerunning 1 minute. And now this is going through our inflammation and infection. That's why it keeps going. If we wanted to stop this, we just press the stop button. And then up here in the top right-hand side, we also have select direct. These are the most common functional stressors of the muscular system. So we could click on muscle atrophy, and it goes right there. We can click to muscle tone. We can click relax muscle. We can click muscle soreness. And again, if we wanted to send feedback to these places, we could just add focus and then do this again. This panel has nothing to scan. This panel, you just look up what muscles are causing the client or yourself an issue, or what stressors are causing yourself or your client the issue, and then you would go in and find it and then send frequency through the feedback.